In this video, I would like to put there line thickness. So it means I go here, for example, before the turtle starts to go somewhere. Okay, so here will be line thickness increases like this. So it means turtle dot pen size. Pen size means how thick it is the line which draw the turtle. So the pen size, but the problem is that the pen size, I put here a number. Okay, so it means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so on. But the problem is that the pen size isn't, for example, 40, 41, 42, and so on and so on. So I think that if we check the documentation, I think that pen size, the higher or the highest limit is 10. So I would like if here will be 10, so it will stop increase the number. Okay, so it means I would like to use it only if number is less or equal 10. Okay, so it means if the number will be, for example, 2, it's okay, the pen size will be 2. 3, the pen size will be 3. 4, the pen size will be 4. 9, the pen size will be 9. And here will be 10, the pen size will be 10, and 11, and the pen size, this is false, correct? 11 is less or equal 10, so it's false. It will be still 10. So after that, so at first it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and after that it will be 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, again, again, again. Okay, I think it's a good solution. So I will run it, and we will see. Okay, the thickness increased. You can see that, and now it's 10. Okay, it stopped at 10. Oh, random walk. Oh, go up, go up. Okay, perfect. But to be honest, guys, I don't know. Maybe there is something and more like 40. I'm not sure if pen size, the limit is 10, so I will try that like this. So it means the number will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on to 49. Okay, so I will try. We will see. Okay, it goes like this. Okay, there is more than more than 10. Okay. Maybe there is 49, guys. Okay, but you can see my point. This doesn't make sense a lot, correct? Because you don't know where the turtle goes because it's very thick. So I would stay with this condition. Okay, if number is less than 10, so turtle pen size will be the number, but if or the actual number. But if the number will be more than 10, so it will be still 10. Okay, so perfect. I like it, and in the next video we will put their speed.